really just want to inspire women to get into the water, connect to themselves, to connect to the ocean, and we facilitate that through freediving. Okay, so I'm going to time you. Now what I want you to do is I'll count you down maybe 5 seconds, and just hold your breath. Try do that relaxed breathing, and then I'm going to get some masks and snorkels. The workshops that we run at the Lost Springs, they're pretty special. They're essentially breathwork workshops for freediving. When you're getting to that point where you want to come up for air, stabilise before just coming up. Kia ora, I'm Renee, and I am the founder of Salt Aotearoa. We prioritise wahine, but we're not exclusive to women. I just wanted to find ways to get other wahine to be able to connect to the ocean. Using a feminine lens, we're taking that sort of feminine touch and we're being more gentle with ourselves and with the taiao. It becomes addictive the more and more you love it, and it's one of those things that you can improve in quite quickly.
How are you feeling?
Excited. I'm not the best at it, but I just love it. And I think that that's really important, that you don't actually have to be the best at something to be passionate about it. And it's just been this beautiful, transformational journey for me. I think that's part of the empowering side of it, part of that reconnecting to identity and to self, relearning what we've already lost and incorporating that into our why. I think if we do that and we can re-engage and reconnect with that mātauranga, we can also understand how to respect our taiao, how to respect our moana. If you can get someone connected to something, get them to feel passionate about it, then they're going to want to protect it. The first step is to connect, and then you'll be driven to protect. Now that I'm hapu, that's added a really special element. It's made everything even more deep and meaningful. You're carrying an ocean inside of you already, and it's almost like you get to share that with your baby when you're entering the ocean. You're powering your body and now your baby's body, and you're working together to enjoy that watery world. And nothing quite beats it. It's amazing.